Under 4 minutes, I am going to build a landing page and an animation video using Kimi K 2.6 with Aider because Claude Code is expensive for most of the people. But this approach is completely free. Meet Kimi K 2.6. It has 1 trillion parameters and 256K context window. NVIDIA is giving developers free access to the most powerful AI models in the world. Kimi K 2.6 is one of them. Kimi plus Aider is equals to AI coding agent and full coding agent inside VS Code terminal or any other open source code editor. If you're seeing this video, hit the subscribe button for more free AI updates. So let's get into it. Go to build.nvidia.com, click generate API key. It will ask you your Google account, sign in up and copy that key. Open your VS Code terminal. Paste this exact command. You can choose any model. I have chosen Kimi K 2.6 and hit enter. We need to wait for some time until it responds. So you can see my model is connected to Aider. I have pasted this prompt. I don't know what prompt it is, but I have pasted this. So hit N because we didn't created any file in this code base. So we need to wait for some time until it create the output. So it has created the output like this. So we need to test it. Hit save and you're good to go. It created the landing page like this and integrated everything including sign up, pricing and features. You just need to fill in the details and you're good to go. What's impressive in that it got this right on the first try. It has also added feature cards and other essential sections automatically. Next, I am going to create an animated video with which is a step further than this. So let's test it out and see how it performs. I have given the prompt, so now we need to wait for a while. It's currently resolving and processing a few issues, so let's wait until it's finished. The animation has been created, so let's take a look. Okay, it has met my expectations in many ways. I think it's giving Claude Code tough competition because, as you can see, it has created a really good animation. I like it. It has ended smooth animations, transitions, engaging animations, and a typewriting style text effect. So overall, everything looks good. So here is the breakdown of these two models. So this is Kimi K 2.6 versus Opus 4.7. I think in almost all branches, Kimi K 2.6 is the winner. So for 90% of developers, Kimi K 2.6 is good enough and save real money. Now let's talk about Kimi K 2.6 versus Claude Opus 4.8. But this is the honest take. Claude has overtaken this Kimi K 2.6 in several regions, and it's okay. You can access Kimi K 2.6 for free, but Opus is not free. For most of the people, can't afford that. So Kimi K 2.6 matches Claude on most everyday developer tasks. Available completely free for cheaper. Which video should we do next? Comment down below. Subscribe for more free AI updates. I'll get back to you.